Okay, here's my video on how to break a bead on an old tire that's just so, I don't know, stuck on there that you got no other choice. So here is a standard high lift farm jack, and I got the tire sitting on the ground here, and so when I got it under the bumper of my truck here. So now when I jack it up, it's just going to push this foot down and pop the bead off. I've already done the other side, and it worked. It was tough, and the truck was almost in the air by the time this thing got popped, because it's an old bias ply tire from 1970 or 60 or something. Okay, other ways you can do this is I've heard of you set the tire. Well, I've done it, but it's pretty rough on your other car, but you set the tire on the ground in front of your vehicle, and you run over it on the side right here, and it pops it down. Not very good on your tires, but if you're just taking off an old one. But this does work. I wouldn't call it the safest way to do it, but it gets the job done. And right now I got to get this tire changed, and my tire machine doesn't have enough stank on it to pop it right. Okay, well, I got to have two hands to do this, but trust me, it works. Hope you never have to resort to this, but if you do, it works. Okay, have a good one. Bye.